we wanted to tell that we are waiting for education employment reservation 42% OBCs and political reservation in local bodies 42%. Two bills are pending with President of India. We have waited long more 4 months, but they have not accepted. Now we are demanding, parliament is going on, सड़क से लेकर संसद तक हम तो लड़ाई जारी है. So we are fighting from road to parliament. So our demand is that they have to clear those bills. Education employment reservation 42% and political reservation in local bodies 42%. Till now they have not cleared, and also we have asked appointment of Rashtrapati. Till now we have not got any appointment. I think 2 days back Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, they have met Rashtrapati ji. I think they are pressurizing Rashtrapati ji to not to give appointment to Telangana people. Now we are here, entire cabinet, parliament members, MLCs and MLAs, most of the rural nook and corner OBCs are here. We are pro OBC. Rahul Gandhi is pro OBC. Narendra Modi is anti OBC. This is the fight between pro OBC anti OBC. So we will see how to get this reservation. If Modi is going to accept it, is fine. Otherwise, we will defeat him coming election, and we will make Rahul Gandhi as a Prime Minister. We will get that 42% reservation in all over India.
Why do you
Thank
think
you.
that PM is anti-OBC? Why do you think so?
Because of his actions. Action speaks. So he is least bothered about Jati Ganana. We have demanded that. So he is not replying. He is not taking up a discussion in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. So it indicates his intention. So these indications are there against OBC. So now we wanted to fight against Modi ji and NDA government.
Mr. Reddy, BJP is saying that this is a conspiracy for vote appeasement because you're giving only 5% for OBC and 10% for Muslims. They are saying this. What is your response?
I am challenging whoever is the Minister of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Bandi Sanjay has said this.
Bandi Sanjay or Kishan Reddy, they are illiterates, I can say. Why? Because ask them to go through my bills. Governor has accepted our bills. If there is anything for reservation separate for Muslims or any other thing, it is just impossible to accept Governor of Telangana. So it is approved by the Governor of Telangana. How come they are making allegations against Government of Telangana? So it's a political stunt. So it is not going to save Bharatiya Janata Party, this political stunt. Yeah, that is one formula. My point is that why that formula? Why don't you amend our act? Already you have amended for EWS. Why can't for OBCs? We are not taking any others reservation. So we are their legitimate right. We wanted to give their legitimate right. So Rahul Gandhi is trying to get the legitimate right of OBCs. Modi is refused to give that legitimate right to OBCs. That's all.
What will be your future strategy? If they
So we'll decide tomorrow morning.
ABL 24 न्यूज, सच दिखेगा। ABL 24 न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, ताज़ा खबरों के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाएं।